Okay, taking a look at this solar powered bird feeder. Comes in this box. There's no instructions at all. So it's a cute little thing. This is a solar panel. So I was wondering how you fill it up, and what you need to do is you need to squeeze your handles together like this, and then you lift the lid off, and then you can fill it up. So then I noticed there's these little things to stick in here, so well, I guess these already have, okay, these have plastic ones stuck in here. This one doesn't, and this one doesn't. So they fell out. And you probably can't see that because it's clear, but these are supposed to be mounted here, and they're stuck together. So I don't know. I don't want to break them. I think I'm going to have to soak them in water, pull them apart, and then maybe re-glue them, because otherwise right now, the way this is, got a window here, see right here, the seed's going to come out. There's a window here, there's plastic here, there's plastic, yeah, see, on these areas right here, all my seed's going to come out. So I got to get these unstuck together and re-stick them inside. Then I think it's going to be really cute, but it's just too bad that this came apart, because they're all stuck together. So I'll have to see what I can do about that. So, you know, it would have been 5 stars. And then after you're done filling it, you put it back together like that, and put that through. It's kind of hard to get it to go back together. You kind of, yeah, well, you get the idea. It doesn't want to fit back together just perfectly. So, I mean, it's cute, but yeah, there's some things where it's kind of fussy. So, but we'll see. I'll get it stuck back together and hang it out in the sun and see how it lights up at night.
Your fire on your car. We just want you to stay over here to the side while we get his version of what happened last night.
Travis tells the officers the same story that he told to Tony.
He is telling them their story. As I'm on the side of this gas station where I was parked, around back I saw this white van. And so they're in the front talking with these 2 police officers. I decided to go around back and check out this van. As I'm walking up to that van, when I got within 10 feet of it, the smell of bleach knocked me over. And it's like, oh, this ain't right. I immediately go back around to the front to Officer Monahan. I says, something I need you to come check out. I didn't tell him what. I just said, just follow me back here. And there's something.
So this is the bird feeder. It's very cute. You can fold them down for the birds. And to turn on the solar light, well, it took me a few minutes, so maybe this video will help you, because I couldn't figure out how to move the roof. You just squeeze this the handle, and the roof will come off. See? And that's how you turn on the light. Well, exciting putting it up today. Well, I hope you will like it. I love it. Bye.
Wow, the base of this bird feeder is actually metal. I was not expecting it to be this tough. Great.